In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to your new sign or replacement controller if the Autodetect feature is not functioning in Daystar Media. So first thing we're going to do is obviously launch Daystar Media. I don't have a sign right now, so I'm going to hit yes, I want to add a sign, and that will bring up the Add Displays window. I'm going to hit this auto detect just to show you that it will not auto detect my sign. It is on my network right now, but it won't detect it. This is actually due to my firewall being on, but there's many of you that don't know how to turn off the firewall. So I'm going to go through an alternative to doing that. So we have this feature here called check. What this does is actually checks the IP address listed here. The default IP for most of these signs, if it was not specifically requested, is this address here, the 192.168.111.100. Unfortunately, the check button will not work until you are on the same IP range, which most of you will not be. So in order for us to get this check button to function properly, we do have to change the IP that our computer's at. The way we do that is click on Start and Control Panel. I'm going to close this down just so I can see the back window. And then we're going to go to Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, and then change adapter settings. We're going to find the network adapter we're using. This is the only one I have plugged in currently, so this is the one I know the sign is on. And you're going to right click on it and hit Properties. Then you're going to go down to Internet Protocol version 4. You're going to click on it to highlight it. Don't uncheck it, just highlight it and hit Properties. And then you're going to click the Use the following IP address. So what we're going to put in here is a 192.168.111. Anything besides 50, 51, or 100. Those three are used by our wireless devices as well as the sign controller itself. So I'm going to put in a 5 because I know there's nothing there. We're going to go down to the subnet mask, and it should populate to 255.255.255.0. That's all we need for this. So we're going to hit OK here and close here at the bottom. Then we're going to close this window out, and we're going to go back into Display and Connect to Display. Now we can go to the check feature here and hit check, and it will pull up my sign. So there it is right there. We can see it at the IP address 111.100. So it is on the network. So what we're going to do from there is we're going to add it, and then from there you can change the IP to whatever you need to. So click on your sign to highlight it and change your IP to whatever you want the sign to permanently be at. Once you're done setting these up, hit change, and the sign will reboot. Once you're done with that, go back into the network adapter settings that we did earlier and put it back to obtain automatically for both the IP address and the DNS server, or else you're going to have some issues connecting to the internet. So go back into Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing, change adapter settings, right click on the local area connection and properties, Internet Protocol version 4 properties, and then click obtain automatically here and DNS server automatically as well. Make sure both those are set. Hit OK and close there. That'll get everything back online, and you should be good to go from there.